Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, I'm back again. So, today we are going to do the book exercise of the same chapter, Dhruva, the Pole Star, and it is the lecture number 3 of lesson number 1 only, and it is literature part term 2. Fine, from your book Together with Essence. So, today we are going to solve the book exercise of the same chapter which we are doing from last 2 days. Fine. So what we are going to cover the topics over here, lesson number 1 from page number 5 to 7 we will do. Book exercise as I have already told you, then homework solution. There, book exercise. So you all can open your books, keep the pencils in your hand, sharpen your pencils in a proper manner, keep them pointed, and you all can open your books on page number 5. Okay, we will start with page number 5, and please write date, day and classwork also. Where there is written a show what do you know. Fine, आपकी बुक में लिखा है ना show what do you know, इसके ऊपर यहाँ पे आप date लिखो, DATE, then write today's date over here, then write classwork over here and day also. Fine, in this way you need to do it, and do not spoil your book. Kindly do it with pencil, do not use pen in books. Fine, so the first question is, answer the following questions to see how well have you understood the text. आपको इन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करना है, इससे पता चलेगा कि आपने कैसे समझा है ये चैप्टर. सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच क्वीन डू यू थिंक उत्पदना लव्ड मोर, हाउ कैन यू से सो. आपको लगता है मतलब कौन सी क्वीन, कौन सी रानी को उत्पदा ज़्यादा प्यार करते थे, और आप कैसे बोल सकते हो ये चीज़, कैसे कह सकते हो आप. सीधा आंसर इज, किंग उत्पदा loved Suruchi more as he banish means बाहर निकाल दिया, his other queen, अपनी दूसरी क्वीन को तो उसने बाहर निकाल दिया था सुनीति, and her son ध्रुवा, और उसके बेटे को भी, from the royal palace on being disinstigated by Suruchi. Disinstigated means to initiate someone to do something, means किसी को फोर्स करते हैं हम कुछ काम करने के लिए. सुरुचि ने ही तो बोला था किंग को, है ना, सुरुचि के कहने पे उसने उन दोनों को बाहर निकाल दिया था. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, यू कैन टेक आउट योर नोटबुक्स ऑल्सो, कीप द नोटबुक्स असाइड. फाइन, और यू कैन राइट इट इन योर रफ नोटबुक, then do it in fair one. Fine, or you can do it in fair one also. Keep your fair notebook aside, write over there also date, day, classwork and day, make a format and make a correction work line over here. Then you can write the name of the chapter, lesson number 1, Dhruv the Pole Star, in capital letters. Then write question number 1. You can copy this question you need to do it in your English fair notebook. Fine, not in the book. So the next question is, why did Dhruv go to the palace one day? एक दिन वह महल में क्यों गया? It had been long that Dhruv had been living in the forest. बहुत समय हो गया था उसको जंगल में रहते रहते. One day, एक दिन, he desired to see his father. So he was feel like, उसका मन कर रहा था अपने पापा को देखने का, and went to the palace to meet the king. और वह महल में चला गया राजा से मिलने के लिए. Simple. This also copy down in your notebook, question as well as answer both. So the next is, do you think Suruchi liked Dhruva's coming to the palace? क्या आपको लगता है कि सुरुचि को पसंद आया कि ध्रुवा पैलेस में आया था? Support your answer with a line from the story. From the story you have to pick the line and write it. Fine. So the answer is, Suruchi was filled with anger on seeing Dhruvas in the palace. रुचि को बहुत गुस्सा आ गया था ध्रुवा को पैलेस में देखते ही, महल में देखते ही, and pushed him aside, और उसको एकदम से धक्का दे दिया. when he tried to sit in the king's lap. जब वो राजा की गोदी में बैठने लगा उसको धक्का दे दिया. So the line which support the answer is, the line that support my answer is, you are not worthy of sitting on the king's lap because you were not born as my son. तुम राजा की गोदी में बैठने लायक नहीं हो क्योंकि तुम मेरे बेटे नहीं हो. If you aspire to sit on your father's lap, go and perform tapa and pray to be born as my son in your next life at least. This I have already told you while teaching the chapter. Fine. So you have to do this question also in your English Fair notebook. Now let us move on to the next question. What boon did Lord Vishnu grant to Dhruva? Fine. What boon did Lord Vishnu grant to Dhruva? क्या bless किया था? क्या आशीर्वाद दिया था? Lord Vishnu blessed Dhruva by saying that all his desire would be fulfilled. उसकी सारी wishes, सारी इच्छाएं पूरी की जाएंगी. Fine. This also you need to do it in your notebook. This you can, question number 5, you can do it in the book only. What the central point of the legend is? अब इस story का main point, center point क्या है? It was good Dhruvas went to the palace. क्या सही था? अच्छी बात थी ध्रुवा पैलेस में गया? No. True faith and devotion to the Lord never go unrewarded. This also I taught you in the last lecture. And this is basically the moral of the chapter कि सच्ची आस्था और भगवान के प्रति समर्पण कभी भी नहीं व्यर्थ नहीं जाता है ना. भगवान के लिए हम जब भी पूजा करते हैं सच्चे दिल से करते हैं, सच्चे मन से करते हैं, भगवान हमारी हर एक विशेष पूरी करते हैं, हर एक इच्छा भगवान हमारी पूरी करते हैं, वो कभी भी व्यर्थ नहीं जाती. So this is basically the correct answer. This is the central point of the legend. It can be asked in your exams also. Fine. So the next question is, it's very easy. You can do it with a pencil only. Turn on the pages. Test your understanding by matching. I have already done for you. King Utpada, he was partial, है ना, पक्षपति था. ध्रुवा was very innocent, मासूम. सुनीति, she was very mean, selfish, मतलबी. Suruchi, she was very gentle, simple. Lord Vishnu, he was great, Mahan. So the next is dictionary focus. Now you have to check the spellings and circle the correct spellings. You have to circle the correct spellings. The dog is more faithful. Faithful में double L आता है, single L आता है. Faithful, single L. Circle it in a beautiful manner. Then the elephant. I am grateful. Spelling Grate, not EAT. To you. ठीक है? My cat is very lovable. LOVEABLE, lovable. I gave my dress for dyeing. Dyeing वाला होता है ना, जो डाई होते हैं, कपड़े डाई होते हैं ना, DYEING, dyeing. This is my ninth, NINTH, NINE नहीं होता है, year in this school. My trousers are too loose, LOOSE, ढीली जो होता है ना, कपड़े ढीले होते हैं, LOOSE, loose. How many zeros, ZEROS, do we write in crore? Put the butter back in the refrigerator. See the spelling of refrigerator. Re, R-E, re, free, F-R-I, free, G-E-R-A-T-O-R. Refrigerator. T-E-R नहीं होता, it is T-O-R. The change isn't noticeable. Noticeable, noticeable. And the last sentence is the school is closed on Wednesday. It is not Wednesday. We speak it as Wednesday, but it is Wednesday. W-E-D, wet, N-E-S-T-A-Y, day, Wednesday. Fine. Now the next is, see, before starting with the language smart, I would like to tell you something. It is basically the tenses part. Tenses means काल. हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं ना, काल होते हैं, भूतकाल, भविष्य काल, वर्तमान काल. So same as in English, there are basically 3 kinds of tense. So before telling you the tenses, let me tell you what do we mean by tense. Tense basically होता क्या है? It tells us the time of an action. ये हमें बताता है कि हम कोई कार्य कब करते हैं, किस समय पर करते हैं. अभी कर रहे हैं, कल किया या कल करेंगे. Fine. So there are basically 3 kinds of tense, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Now you all read the sentence. They come to school daily. वह प्रतिदिन स्कूल विद्यालय आते हैं. जो हम एक्शन रोज करते हैं, हर दिन करते हैं, that is present tense. That is present time. Present time means present tense. He came to the hospital. Over here second form of verb we are using. Past form. जो एक्शन हमने कल किया था, वह कल अस्पताल आया था, है ना. I shall come home next Sunday. अगले संडे में घर आऊंगा. That is future. जो एक्शन हम कल करेंगे. So have you understood? जो एक्शन हम अभी करते हैं, अभी मतलब वर्तमान में, that is present tense. जो एक्शन हमने भूतकाल में किया था, कल किया था, that is past tense. जो हम आने वाले भविष्य में करेंगे, that is future tense. That is future tense. So basically there are 3 kinds of tenses. There are 3 kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Further, these 3 kinds are divided into 4 sub parts. आगे हम पढ़ेंगे कि इन तीनों को आगे 4 भाग में और डिवाइड करा गया है. Fine. So we are not going to study in detail. I'm just going to explain you simple present. Present का पहला पार्ट होता है simple present. I'm going to explain you that only. See, the uses of present tense. अब हम simple present tense कहाँ use करते हैं? To express some habitual action or daily routine. जो काम हम रोज करते हैं, I go to school every day, I go to temple daily, है ना, I sleep daily, I wish my elders daily. रोज काम जो करते हैं हम, हमारी हैबिचुअल हैबिट्स होती हैं, that all are counted in simple present tense. To express scientific truth. Scientific truth जो बिल्कुल सच होता है. What is the scientific truth? Can you tell me any scientific truth? The little baby crawls. छोटा बच्चा रेंगता है ना. And the sun revolves around the earth, है ना. These are the scientific truth which we cannot change. जो चीज़ को हम बदल नहीं सकते, सच्चाई होती है. To express certain facts that is true at the present moment. कुछ facts जो उस present moment में सच हैं, है ना, present moment में सच हैं. It is used to introduce any quote. कोई भी quotation लिखने के लिए, like Kate says a thing of beauty is a joy forever. कोई भी quotation लिखते हैं हम, उसमें भी present, simple present tense use होता है. Like there is one more quotation, do not compare yourself with others. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. This is also a quote. Fine. So simple present tense, it is used in habitual action, daily routine, scientific truth, and thing which is present, which is true at the present time, and it is used for quotations also. This is the use. And now see the formation, how we frame the sentence in simple present tense. इसके लिए क्या formation चाहिए हमें? Subject. सब्जेक्ट इज बेसिकली द डूअर, जो कार्य कर रहा है, कर्ता बोलते हैं इसे. देन वर्ब, वर्ब यू ऑल नो, एक्शन वर्ड है ना. फिर वर्ब के साथ एस और ई एस यूज करते हैं. जब सब्जेक्ट हमारा सिंगुलर होता है तो वर्ब प्लूरल होती है, जब सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होता है तो वर्ब सिंगुलर होती है. वी कैन ऑल्सो से इज विथ फर्स्ट पर्सन आई, फाइन, एंड विथ थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल दे, वी, यू, अस, वी यूज सिंगुलर वर्ब. उनके साथ हम सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज करते हैं. जैसे आई इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, आई गो, सिंगुलर वर्ब है ना यहाँ पे. You is the second person, with second person we also use singular verb, write. You writes तो नहीं है ना. they is the third person plural, they fly, flies तो नहीं है ना यहाँ पे, है ना. with first person singular, second person and third person plural we use singular verb. वहाँ पे s और es नहीं यूज करते, है ना. with rest of the pronoun, बाकी के बचे हुए pronoun like we can say is third person singular, he, she, it, or any name, we use plural verb. verb के साथ s और es यूज करते हैं. जैसे she is the third person singular, she speaks. he is again the third person singular, he listens. it is again the third person singular, it swims. the is again subject is singular, verb will be plural. Then object comes. In this way we frame the simple present tense sentences. ठीक है, understood. और simple present tense में हमेशा verb की first form use होती है. Now see the example. I go for a walk daily. She speaks English fluently. He listens to what you say. You write about him. It swims fast. They fly a kite. The sun rises in the east. Have you all understood? I hope you all have understood. So on the basis of this, you have next exercise. See the language smart. Simple present tense. Answer the following question. Remember to use the verb in simple present tense. So which verb do we use in simple present tense? There are three kinds of verb na. We use verb first form. Verb first form. So over here you can read the box. Simple present tense is used to talk about. किसके बारे में बात करते हैं हम? Repeated actions और हमारी habits. I already told you journal truths means scientific truths. People or the things in general. Now you have to answer these questions. You can write with pencils only in your book. You can write over here. Put answer number 1, answer number 2, answer number 3, answer number 4, answer number 5 and draw each line over here with scale. Do not write in untidy way. Fine. अच्छे से यहाँ पे लिखो 1 and then draw a line, 2 then draw a line, 3 then draw a line, 4 then draw a line, 5 then draw a line. Then you can write with pencils answer in these lines. So what do you like to do? आपको क्या करना पसंद है? You can write in simple present only. I like to play music. I like to eat ice cream. I like to listen to the songs. I like to play badminton. Anything you can write what you feel like doing. Next is, when do you get up every morning? हर एक दिन आप कब उठते हो? I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. मैं हर एक सुबह 6 बजे उठती हूँ या उठता हूँ. What revolves around the earth? Moon revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. What does a florist sell? Florist क्या sell करता है? Flowers, है ना? A florist sells the flowers. What two things do you see in the night sky? रात को आप दो चीजें क्या देखते हो? What do we see? We see moon and the stars in the night sky. So these are the answers I have written for you. Fine, you have to write it in a beautiful way. I like to listen to songs. I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. The moon revolves around the earth. A florist sells the flowers. We see moon and the stars in the night sky. You have to write it in a beautiful handwriting. Do not spoil your book. Again and again I am repeating the same. So the next is, see, you have to imagine Dhruva coming down to earth. जैसे ध्रुव तारा है, पोल स्टार नीचे आ रहा है अर्थ पे. Both of you become good friends. आप दोनों अच्छे दोस्त बन जाते हो. And now we often come down to meet you. और वह आता है लगभग आपको मिलने के लिए. Share your experience using simple present form of the words in the brackets. अब आपको जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड्स लिखने हैं उसको आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट फॉर्म में चेंज करके लिखना है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट मीन्स वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. और मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट मीन्स डूअर, फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर आई होगा, सेकंड पर्सन होगा या थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल होगा, तो वहाँ पे हम वर्ब के साथ एस और ई एस नहीं यूज करेंगे. फिर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर ही शी इट या कोई नाम, उसके साथ हम वर्ब प्लूरल यूज करेंगे. फाइन. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. व्हेन ध्रुवा अराइव्ड है, यहाँ पास्ट फॉर्म है, ईडी लगा, तो इट विल बी, ध्रुवा इज अ नेम, it will be arrives, arrives, from the star world. He brought a, what will come here, brings, brings, brings with him a few of his mom's traditional recipes, armed with his marvelous family secrets and desire to cook. I tried आएगा या try, 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 S और ES नहीं यूज करेंगे. I try those recipes with him. He tells, TELLS, tells me stories about his stepmom. Stepmom कौन होती है? पराई माँ, है ना, सौतेली माँ. He often, what will here, cry या cries, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, verb will be plural, cries, CRIES. When he recalled is there, what will come here, recalls, RECALLS, those moments of pain. I crack, CRACK, crack some joke to make him laugh. I love, what will come now, love, LOVE, singular. I love to listen his stories. His eyes reflected, will come or reflects, his eyes reflects happiness whenever he narrates, NARRATES, narrates his experience with Lord Vishnu. Together we is the plural, it is first person plural, so it will be spend, SPEND, spent is verb second form. Sometime and then he flies, FLIES, flies to become the pole star and shine in the night sky. So I hope you all have understood. So these are the answers. First will arrives, brings, try, tells, cries, recalls, crack, love, reflects, narrates, blend and flies. So this is all for today. We have done till page number 7. Rest we will continue in the next lecture. So what do you have to do it now? What is your homework? See, next question is given on your book only on page number 7. That is the last question. Talk a while. If you were Dhruv's friend, अगर तुम ध्रुव के दोस्त होते, what advice, क्या सलाह would you give to him? तुम उसको क्या सलाह देते before he went to meet his fathers at the palace? वो मीन्स आप उसको क्या एडवाइस, क्या सलाह देते, कब, किस टाइम पे, जब वो अपने पापा के पास महल में जा रहा था मिलने के लिए, उससे पहले आप उसको क्या सलाह देते? डिस्कस with your partner and share with your class. अब क्लास में तो हो नहीं आप. Now what you can do is you can discuss with your parents or your friends and then we will discuss in the next lecture. Fine. So what your homework is, one more is complete the book till page number 7. So page number 7 तक आपको complete करना है of the same chapter. So that is for today. So I hope you all have understood this exercise. Try to do whatever you do, whatever you learn, try to do with understanding. समझ के करना है, ऐसे नहीं करना है ना. Do not cheat and write. Try to do everything with understanding. So that is all for today. Thank you.